Welcome back. A real quickie today. I just got 2 loads of aged wood chips, and this stuff is just a smoking. Nice stuff. Look at the mycelium in there, the white. This is what you want to do a good back to Eden or no-till garden. You can use it as is, or you can sift it through a 1/2-inch mesh to get rid of some of the big stuff, or even sift it down to 1/4 inch, and then you top dress your garden beds with that. You will be golden. Hey, listen, come on over. Help me move some wood chips. Your good buddy Walter, out.